Understanding the type code for the MSK Indradyne S synchronous motors. MSK indicates this is an Indradyne S synchronous motor. 050 means the motor frame size is 050. C refers to the frame length of C. 0450 is the winding code. NN means it cools via natural convection. M1 refers to the optical multi-turn absolute hyperface encoder on the motor. U means the encoder connector is rotatable up to 240 degrees. G indicates the shaft is plane. 0 means the motor does not have a holding brake. NNNN means the motor design is standard. Frequently asked questions. What is the motor's max torque? The max torque is 15 Newton meters. What is the maximum speed of the motor? This MSK has a max speed of 6,000 revolutions per minute. What is the maximum current? The motor's maximum current is 18.8 amps. How much does the motor weigh? It weighs 5.4 kilograms. What is the protection class on the motor? It has a protection class of IP65. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Bosch Rexroth motor sales and replacements.